RAMP stock analysis for tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy now? We'll watch this 2-minute video till the end to find out. Over the last 5.5 years, I've documented 49,000 trades and market analysis on this channel. With all this data, I've seen what's making me money and what's losing me money. First thing on the agenda is the overall context and key levels. Want to say that this is a... what the heck? I went to look at the daily chart and I just saw this. 5 freaking candles that are just ranging here. Right, does that mean that I'm going to do anything? No. We had like green earnings, which obviously is what happened here. But, I mean, this gap and hold or just the flat shelf here, just going to sit like that. I mean, no doubt we're going to go down, fill in the gaps, whatever. But in terms of this, buying at the top is not happening. I want to be closer to the moving average, the price correcting down and maybe take things higher. But where things are right now, just chilling. That's it. So if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years that's printing for me, click the first link in the description. It's free. Bye-bye.